how to add voiceover in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily voiceover in CapCut very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Are adding voiceovers on the video in CapCut. So firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see new project option. So when you will click on new project, you can select any video on which you want to voiceover. So after this, if you do not want to select from there, so you can also select from the previous project. So after this, you can see this video is added in the timeline. So after this, here you can see the options of audio. So just click on it and then you can see different option here. So when you will move in the left side, you can see here the option of record. So when you will click on record, you can see here is the option of record. So when you will tap or press and hold to record, so you can see audio will be recorded. So guys, in this then I will open or left the recording, then click on OK. So you can see voiceover is added. So when I will play, you can see voiceover is added.
Hi guys, welcome.
So guys, in this way you can add voiceover on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.